If you're looking for an alternative to traditional air conditioning, then a Sharp portable air conditioner might be your new best friend. Regardless of the room you're trying to cool, ventilate, or dehumidify, there will always be a Sharp portable air conditioner for the occasion. The Sharp CV series comes in 3 different models, all of which provide different levels of cooling power, along with a patented library quiet design. All 3 units are compact enough to fit in a corner, install in minutes, and are fully portable, allowing you to move them from room to room. The Sharp CV-P10MX features 9,500 BTUs of cooling power and can cool up to 200 square feet, perfect for use in single rooms or small offices. In addition to the patented library quiet technology, this unit features a plasma cluster ion generator to purify your air, as well as an auto-cool function that will adapt to your room's conditions. The Sharp CV-10NH is a 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner that features a modern piano black and titanium finish and can cool rooms of up to 250 square feet. The CV-10NH is easy to maintain, and the efficient condensate disposal system drastically reduces the amount of condensate collected in the unit's reservoir. The Sharp CV-P12PX also features the same advanced condensate disposal system as the CV-10NH, in addition to Sharp's library quiet design. The 11,500 BTU portable air conditioner can cool areas of up to 300 square feet and boasts 4-way air direction, allowing you to direct cool air wherever you need it most. All 3 Sharp portable air conditioners include both dehumidifying and air purification capacity, saving you space and money on appliances. Each unit also features a fully functional LCD display with remote-controlled operation. For more information on Sharp portable air conditioners, or to pick up yours today, please visit www.air-conditioner-home.com.